Waitlist customers can now take reservations directly through the Reserve with Google program. This helps your restaurant to show up more prominently in Google searches and on maps, making it easier for new customers to find you. Your customers can conveniently book a table at your restaurant without ever leaving Google. It's a smoother, frictionless experience that's likely to increase your reservations. To set up Reserve with Google, go to app.waitlist.com, log in, and press the Settings button to get started. Choose the Reservation section. Next, go to the Reserve with Google slider and switch it to On. This action will activate the Setup Wizard to guide you through the process. Once you're in the Setup Wizard, open the Minimum Party Size drop-down menu and select your desired minimum party size. The list of available tables shown below will dynamically adjust depending on the minimum and maximum table sizes you choose. Finally, specify the number of tables of each size available for reservations and set the turn time for each table size. Now that everything is set up, you can view and edit your settings directly from your reservations page. You can modify your booking lead time as well as your calendar booking window. Modify the times you accept reservations by adjusting the booking hours. Change the time availability for each day or turn individual days off entirely. Once you have your preferences set, press Save Changes. Waitlist settings are immediate, but Reserve with Google may take up to 48 hours. For further details about setting up Waitlist reservations, watch the Reservations video on our YouTube channel or visit support.waitlist.com.